let's wait to put these highlights on all together, okay? So let's do the same thing. And I didn't forget about these areas either, okay? We want to use a smaller brush for that, all right? So with this, you know, when we pull off, this is almost all black right in through here. There's a shadow in there. So what you want to do is you want to start on this side, okay? And then we're going to pull across, like you're going to arch it just a little bit, and you're going to go across this way, okay? So let's get a little raw sienna, a little bit of our Van Dyke brown, touch of orange, touch of red. All right, let's go over here. Get the darker shade in, and then we'll build that up. I would prefer to go like this because then, you know, it's a little easier to pull, you know, your stroke down, because I can go right up against, you know, this edge and pull it over this way, okay? So I'm gonna go right here, lightly start pulling this over. Overlap, don't make stripes, like overlap a little bit. We're gonna come around here, okay? We gotta get the toe area. I'm gonna lift off and let it be black, you know, about, you know, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, but still like lift off your strokes as you're getting close. You don't want to start with your paint over here. You want to make sure that you barely have any paint when you get into that area, and also lift off your pressure, okay? So you need this shadow like right in through here, okay? I need this to kind of go together right here. Okay. And now I'll start pulling a couple highlights through here, and then we'll get our small filbert. Actually, we'll get the rest of the boot in, and then we'll get our small filbert, okay? So I'm gonna take those colors. Well, just a little bit. We'll highlight a little bit, and then we'll save that brighter highlight for afterwards, like we did on here, okay? So we want to turn it again. We're not starting on the outside edge, all right? We're gonna start highlighting in just a little bit further. Lay your brush down very lightly. We're gonna start going right in through here. Lifting off, lifting off. Pulling, lifting off, okay? Remember, overlap the strokes. Don't like just make, you know, single strokes by themselves and lining them up, okay? And go out here just a little bit further. I think we'll be good with that. And then let's get in some of the like heel in and the sole in and stuff, okay? A little bit of orange in there. All right, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch like right here. I'm gonna get this a little brighter where that white is. And I'm gonna skip with this. I feel like might be too bright. No, I think it's okay. I'm gonna go down here. And also I'm gonna go here a couple places. Hands were awkward right there. Pull this down. Use a little bit more of the raw sienna in this area. Okay, so right here. Oh, I was like, I better turn it before I do something like that. And there you go. So that's gonna bother me because it's gonna mess up how the sole looks. So I'm getting a round brush and just getting black, and I wanna put it back in this space. Sorry, I had to fix that, you know. Most things I can leave, but I had to fix it. Okay. I also feel like while we're at it, this got a little, you know, got a little crazy in here too, a little thick. So a little bit of black in there. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that brush right there because I'm sure I'll do it again. All right. So if you're not painting like how you're comfortable, things like that easily happen where you're jerking around and doing things sometimes that you may not want to do. While I have this turned this way, I'm gonna take a little bit of white and I want to get like right on the front here, and I'm gonna make a little bit of a highlight like right there. All right, and that won't look like stand out as much whenever you get the highlights on the rest, okay? I think I'll put a little bit of a highlight there. Don't worry, all those chalk lines will be covered later. I might just highlight right here a little bit, all right? I'm gonna turn it back around. Let me take a look at it. This is too bright. I can tell as soon as I put it up right here where I just added that highlight, it's too heavy. So what you do with something like that is just take a little bit of brown. And you can even use a little bit of brown with black. And you can just go and doll it just a tiny bit. Sometimes it's just the smallest amount of paint, you know? So, you know, a lot of times we want to do too much. Okay, so a little bit of raw sienna and white. And my perspective is okay right here. My reach is okay. And so this, I'm just kind of scuffing that toe area. And then I just need to turn it now so I'm gonna get a little bit of water so I can get a decent edge on this. And I'm gonna go here, here, and then I'm just gonna lightly like scuff into this area, just a little. All right, and then we'll go to the heels, and then we'll get our highlights in through here, or heel, only one heel. All right, and it doesn't take much actually for this. So I'm gonna get my raw sienna and maybe a little touch of white, okay? And this time, I want to be pulling from here, okay? So I'm going to go this side, I'm gonna pull back, one long, one short here. We want a little bit longer towards the bottom, all right? I'm gonna mark this, you know, where the stops and starts, and also just a very slight edge there and here, okay? And so you don't want it to like disappear back here because that's the back side of that heel. So just like we did on the inside of the boot, just put a tiny bit of color there, not very much. Okay. I think once we put in black back here where the chalk lines are, that'll look right to us.